This is ABC 7 News, Chicago's #1 news, with Jose Sanders, Judy Sue, weather with meteorologist Tracy Butler, and Roz Barron's traffic. This is ABC 7 News this morning.
It is 6:50 right now, and we could hear former Governor Rod Blagojevich make a plea for leniency today.
We talk with our legal expert, Thomas Glasgow, about day one of sentencing when we come right back. We have been talking about it all morning. One of the final chapters in a saga that's taken center stage in Illinois for years.
The sentencing hearing begins today for former Governor Rod Blagojevich, and attorney Thomas Glasgow joins us now once again with a closer look at what to expect today in court. Good morning, Thomas.
Good morning to you both.
And we were just chatting a little bit. This is a bit unusual. It is a 2-day sentencing. Why? How is that going to work?
The judge has a wide degree of discretion in what he has for sentencing. Now, judges have to grapple with ideals such as justice and deterrence. He wants to hear from both the defendant and he wants to hear from the defendant's attorney, and he's going to give the government's attorney an equal chance to make their presentation. When Blagojevich speaks today, Blagojevich has had a penchant for being center stage. He loves the limelight throughout this entire process. He has been in the media. He's had a media blitz. He has consistently talked to people. He signed autographs going in and out of court. Those sort of things are things that the judge realizes that Mr. Blagojevich is probably going to continue to do. And whatever Mr. Blagojevich says today, whether it's protesting his innocence or whether it is pleading for mercy, the judge wants to, A, take time to sleep on this and make an appropriate decision. But B, he's going to want to make sure that whatever sentence he imposes on Mr. Blagojevich, and he is going to go to jail, he wants to make sure that that is clear and unequivocally heard by everyone and is not overshadowed by Mr. Blagojevich or Mr. Blagojevich's antics.
Given your knowledge of the former governor, what do you expect him to do today? What do you expect him to say?
A plea for mercy would go a long way, but during the course of this, he has shown absolutely no remorse. And from the onset of this is a joke, when the agents showed up, to going on reality TV, to his media blitz, to, as we talked about, signing autographs, going in and out of the court and taking kind of a flippant stance, I think he probably is going to continue to dig his heels in. In his filings, he indicated that he's blaming other people. He's blaming his advisors. He's blaming the people around him. He's not taking responsibility for what he did. I don't expect that to change. And I think that is really going to agitate any kind of sentence that he would end up getting. You saw Rezko get 10.5 years already. I expect that there is going to be a much greater sentence, A, for Mr. Blagojevich because of Rezko, but B, because we have to show deterrence to someone who doesn't recognize that they've done something wrong.
And he's the elected official, too, as well.
Yeah.
Correct. The erosion of public trust. Everyone looks at the governor and says, I don't want to be governor. It comes with a prison sentence.
Wow.
We're going to wait and see what happens in court, yeah. Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you guys very much.
We'll talk to you later after that happens. We'll be right back.